Welcome to JavaScript data types.
JavaScript data types are the foundation of every script you write. Understanding them helps you store, process, and interact with information effectively. In this guide, you'll learn about all the basic data types available in JavaScript, how to use them, and why choosing the right data type matters for your programs.
Primitive data types.
The primitive data types are the simplest forms of data in JavaScript. They include string, number, Boolean, null, undefined, big int, and symbol. Primitives store single values and do not have methods or properties. Learning how to use these types helps you work with text, numbers, true or false values, empty values, and unique identifiers.
Strings and numbers.
That text inside single or double quotes, like hello. Use them for messages, names, and any textual data. Numbers are for numeric values, including decimals and negative numbers. You can do math with numbers and store things like age, prices, or measurements. Choosing the correct type avoids bugs and ensures your data behaves as expected.
Booleans, null, and undefined.
Booleans have only two values, true or false. Use them for on and off, yes or no, and decision logic. Null is an intentional absence of value set by you. Undefined means a variable hasn't been given a value yet. These types are key for controlling program flow and handling missing information safely.
Objects and arrays.
Objects and arrays are complex, non-primitive data types. An object groups together related values and functions using key value pairs, like a profile with a name and age. An array stores ordered lists, such as numbers or strings. Use these structures to organize and manage more complex or related data in your applications.
Choosing and using data types.
Selecting the right data type makes your code clearer and helps avoid errors. Think about what kind of information you need to store and choose accordingly. Practice declaring variables, assigning different data types, and experimenting with scripts. Mastering JavaScript data types is the first step to writing reliable and efficient code.